Hey developers, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something exciting for all of you who use Cline in your workflow. Cline 3.8.0 is here with some major improvements that will make your development process smoother, faster, and more efficient. If you're a developer looking to streamline workflows, manage accounts more effectively, and optimize AI-powered coding, then you'll love this update. Let's dive into all the new features that Cline 3.8.0 brings. 1. Streamlined workflows with new integration points. Host. First up, we have a new Add to Cline feature. This makes it incredibly easy to add code snippets, error messages, and terminal outputs directly into your Cline tasks without disrupting your flow. Just highlight the text, right-click, and select Add to Cline. It's that simple. Show screen recording of a developer using the Add to Cline feature. 2. Fix errors instantly with Fix with Cline. Next, we've got Fix with Cline, an incredible feature that allows you to fix errors instantly. When you see a light bulb icon in your editor, just click on Fix with Cline and watch as it quickly identifies and resolves the issue. Demonstrate how the feature works in VS Code, showing real-time error fixing. 3. Track usage with the new account view. Managing your Cline usage just got easier. With the new integrated account view, you can track your billing, credit consumption, and transaction history all within VS Code. No more switching between tabs. Screen recording of the account view inside VS Code. 4. Enhanced provider routing options. Now this is a game changer. Cline 3.8.0 introduces smart provider routing options, letting you prioritize based on throughput, price, latency, or a balanced approach. Need speed? Choose high-throughput providers. Working on a budget? Prioritize low-cost options. This gives you full control over how AI providers handle your requests. Visual comparison of different routing strategies. 5. Improved visual context with rich MCP Display. Ever wished your coding assistant could display images and animations? Well, now it can. Cline now supports dynamic image loading and GIF animations, making debugging and visual references much more interactive. Demonstration of an animated MCP display inside VS Code. 6. Quality of life improvements. Cline 3.8.0 isn't just about big features, it also brings some much-needed improvements to enhance your experience. Let's take a look at what's new. One-click documentation access for quick guidance. Better cost tracking with OpenRouter's new reporting features. No more context window exceeded errors, improving AI handling. Disk space management tools so you always know how much storage Cline is using. Enhanced MCP reliability, reducing stuck processes. Bug fixes for smoother performance. Side-by-side before and after comparisons of these improvements. Closing section. Cline 3.8.0 is all about making your workflow more efficient, giving you greater control, and improving the overall development experience. If you haven't updated yet, go download the latest version in VS Code and try out these amazing new features. Host. What do you think about Cline 3.8.0? Drop a comment below with your favorite feature, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Screen transitions to call to action, subscribe button, Cline logo, and social media handles. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, the world of AI is evolving faster than ever, and tools like Cline 3.8.0 are leading the charge. Whether you're a developer, business owner, or just someone who loves tech, we're here to keep you informed and inspired. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.